Right, everything's done. Floor's done, silicon's done, toilet's been fitted, basin and pedestal's been fitted, silicon's all around, that's been done as well. All hoovered up, cleaned up, wiped down. Garage is done as well, so that's all done. Done. So yeah, no, I'm gonna send some pictures to the customer because they're not here at the moment. And then once that's all good, then we'll go to the next job. Next job was floor, another floor, got loads of floors. And next week I've also got a tile replacement on the floor, so I might do a little time lapse for that, you know, just a little video, nothing major, just take a tile out, put a new one back in. Yeah, and if anything else comes up, I'll take a video, see if you guys like it. If you haven't already, if you saw my last video, you saw this one. This is the end of this job. If you liked it, you want to see some more, you know, follow me on whatever it is and subscribe to YouTube, like all the pictures or videos, whatever, on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and then just let me know if you enjoy them. And if you do, and you are, and you want to see some more, then I'll you know, I'll do some more. But I mean, the videos are a bit rubbish. I mean, I haven't really got the best equipment to do it, but you know, use what you got, I suppose. So yeah, right, I'm gonna go home, have some dinner, and try and upload the one that you saw last week, I think. Anyway, catch you later.